Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today's subject is how to become a barber. Barbershops are becoming a popular trend once again, as men of all ages realize there's no substitute for a great cut from an experienced and talented barber. To add to the experience, hot towels followed by close shaves is paired with some good conversation in these super cool, relaxing atmospheres. A barbering education is usually the first step in earning licensure. Licensure requires an approved program or apprenticeship, and in some states, both are required. Barbering is a profession that requires the completion of state-approved courses. These may be offered through dedicated barber schools or larger comprehensive cosmetology programs. Regardless, they must meet minimum practice hour requirements for licensing in each state as determined by its board. To become a licensed barber, one must pass two examinations. The first is an examination of written knowledge about the history and theory of being a barber that tests what you know to be true. The second exam involves practical skills testing. Your abilities are practiced on live subjects in real time, with critical eyes watching every move you make under pressure. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a barber, now is the time to act. You may need some schooling to get your license, but once you have it, there are plenty of jobs waiting for qualified candidates. Are you ready to take up the challenge? If you liked this video, please make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online Barber College. You can visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.